Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's so nice to see you guys again. Today I'll be doing a get ready with me, and I'll basically be doing like this peacock feather color. It'll be a cut crease, and I'm just gonna be trying some new things. I have two new palettes. I'm only using one of them though, and then I have two older palettes, so I'll just be working all those together to make this cute little eyeshadow look. So I'm just going to be showing you guys my shadow on my brows today, and then I'll do my face off camera, and then I'll show y'all the final look. So let's get right into it. So I'll be starting off with my e.l.f. brow pencil. This is my favorite. It's dark brown, I believe. Dark brown. Wait, what is it? Oh, medium brown. Okay, so I'll be starting off with this. First, I'm going to brush my brows. So let me get my mirror. And I'm sorry if I look like dead today. I have the worst headache on earth right now. I feel awful. But I filmed a video of me using my my new 350 palette, and then I accidentally deleted it. So I'm gonna remake that video, but I'm gonna do this one today first because I was looking through my palettes last night and I really like some colors that I have, so I want to incorporate those. And now I'm gonna use the pencil part, and I'm first going to underline, just go all the way under, just to get my shape, beginning shape. And then I'm gonna slowly, depending on how, like if you want them to look natural, then you can lightly feather some shape. If you want them to be kind of bold, then you kind of really just crayon on your face, you know. I don't want mine too dark because I don't really like that look, but yeah. So right now this is the beginning look. So first I need to brush my eyebrows again. I'm gonna shape them again so they can fit the shape that I want, and then I'm gonna brush up right there. Okay, so basically I'm just showing you guys fast forwarded how I do my brows. Again, I just draw a line under, and then I kind of slowly feather some color into my brows, and then shape it up however I want it. And then I brush up, make sure, and then I'll go back through with concealer to clean all that up to get the final shape. But I'm just doing it with the pencil first, just to kind of get an idea of what I want. I don't always do my brows, but I've been really into them lately. I'll be using the Fit Me concealer and the LA Girls Pro concealer. And I'll use the Fit Me concealer to go over on top of my brows, just because that's the darker color, and I want that to that's my closer to my skin tone, so that's the color that I want to use on the top of my brows. And then I'll use the LA Girls for under my brows and on my lid as a primer for my eyeshadow. And I really like using this method. It works for me because, you know, using the darker concealer over my brows, that gives me the like, it helps me be able to make my bronzer look more like, make my forehead look bronzed, rather than like having that super light color up there and trying to have to like blend colors over that, when I could already have a color that's similar to the color that I'm going to use. And I'm using Fit Me powder. I'm really happy I got this. It's been working for me so well. If if the first time I used it, I was a little heavy-handed and it didn't go well, but I've been figuring it out slowly. because this is my first time using powder. But I'm just powdering my eyelids and my brows. I like to set my brows by powdering them. Not too much, but just a little bit. I'll be taking this color from my new 350 Morphe palette, and I'll just be putting that in the crease. And I'm going to be putting about 3 different colors in the crease just because I'm doing a cut crease. So I just want to make sure that that has some color to it. And it's 3 different oranges. It's like a light, like a super light orange. It kind of emulates a sunset in a way. With the colors I'm using, it kind of mocks a sunset. And that's the look that I really wanted to go for. Like, I really like the way that it looked, so that's what I'm going to be using today. I'll be going in with another orange, and that it's like I have like a light orange, then there's a darker orange, like a orange, and then there's like this red orange, and it's really pretty color. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. And I'm just putting the concealer on my eyelid now. Trying to figure out how I want it to look. I was gonna do the middle of the eye, but I've never done that before, and every time I attempt, it never works out for me. So I was like, no, I'll just go ahead and do a regular cut crease. I'll just take it all the way out. I'm gonna try it one day, but I definitely didn't do it in this video. I attempted, but it didn't work out for me. And I'm just making sure that I'm bringing that concealer all the way into the corner. I really like these colors. Like, I just got this 350 palette, and I did a tutorial on it, but unfortunately, I accidentally deleted it. So, I'll be going back through and doing a tutorial on that, like I said earlier in the video, but I just wanted to go ahead and do this video because I saw some colors that I've never used before, even though I've had, like, 2 of these palettes for, like, almost 4 years. So, I wanted to use some colors that I saw and that I really liked. So that's why I went ahead and did this palette. But I will be doing a tutorial on my 350 palette with just colors from that palette. It has so many beautiful colors. Oh my gosh. So many beautiful colors. And then this is where I get to the fun part. The beautiful glittery color. It's like a blue peacock color. I say peacock just because their feathers have that color in it. So I really liked it. And I'm just packing it onto the eye. Just making sure the eye is, full. Because it's like one layer I put on that wasn't enough. And so I had to go over that layer and intensify it more by going in with another layer. And it came out so beautifully. And now I'm just blending out that outer corner, trying to make sure that there's no harsh lines or anything. Trying to make sure everything is uniform and nice. Alright, now I'm going on to my lashes. I got these lashes from the beauty supply store. That's where I like getting my lashes from. Unless I get my lashes from Target. I like either the beauty supply store or Target. And if Target is kind of sold out or they don't really have the ones that I'm looking for at that time, then I'll just go get the ones that I like from the beauty supply store. I've really been trying to learn how to kind of keep my lashes because I normally would kind of be reckless with them. Like, I didn't take care of them like I should have. But I'm doing much better, which I'm really glad about because I need to. I used to buy lashes like every day because I would tear them up. And I'm just fanning them. And this is basically the eye look. Like, it's so pretty, guys. I absolutely love it. It's the cutest. Oh, so cute. And now we're going to go ahead and show you the finished look. This is it with the face. I absolutely loved this look. I will be wearing it again. It's so, so cute. So, so cute. I love that eye. I've really been trying to be spontaneous lately and try new things. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.